Welcome to the how-to video on the basic challenge color code. Okay, let's do the basic circuit challenge for color codes. And we're going to show the color names because the color quality of this is pretty poor. So anyway, now we have brown, green, black, and silver. So we're going to have 1, and green is 5, and black is 0. So we have 0 zeros, and silver would be 10%. 15 ohms, 10%. And then we have brown, red, green, and gold. So brown is 1, green is 5, and red is 2, and green would be 5 zeros, and gold would be 5%. And then we have yellow, violet, yellow, and silver. So yellow is 4, violet is 7, and we have 4 zeros. And the percent, because it's silver, would be 10. Then we have brown, black, brown, and gold. So we got 1, 0, and then we have brown is 1, 0, and gold would be 5%. And then we have blue, gray, red, and gold. So we have blue, which is 6, gray, which is 8, and red would be 2 zeros, and gold would be 5%. And then we have brown, black, blue, and silver. So we have 1, 0, and blue would be 6. So we have 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And silver would be 10%. And we have brown, green, yellow, and none. So brown will be 1, green would be 5, and yellow is 4. So we have 4 zeros. 1, 2, and none would be 20% tolerance. And then we have yellow, which would be 4, violet is 7, and black would be 0 zeros, and silver would be 10%, so 47 ohms. And we have red, violet, yellow. So red would be 2, violet would be 7, and yellow would be 4 zeros. And silver would be 10%. And we have orange, white, brown, and gold. So orange is 3, white is 9, and brown would be 1, 0, and gold would be 5%. And we have green, blue. So green is 5, blue is 6, and brown would be 1, 0. And silver would be 10%. And we have red, red, which would be 2, 2, and green would be 5 zeros, and our percent would be 20. And resistor value, here we have blue, which is 6, gray, which is 8, and orange is 3 zeros, and silver would be 10%. Brown would be 1, black would be 0, yellow would be 4 zeros, and would be 20. And we have brown, black, which is 1, 0, and red would be 2 zeros, and none would be 20%. Let's see here. We have orange, orange, which is 3, 3, and orange would be 3 zeros, and gold would be 5%. And then we have red, violet, so we have 2, 7, and 3 zeros. And none would be 20%. And we have brown, red, which would be 1, 2, black would be 0 zeros, and silver would be 10%. And we have brown, black, 1, 0, and orange would be 3 zeros, and silver would be 10%. And I think this will be the last one, so we've got brown, red, 1, 2, and brown would be 1, 0, and gold would be 5%. Good. And select OK to continue, and we're going to put my name in here, and we're going to skip, and we're going to ignore the error. We're going to go to printer setup, and we want to go to the Qt PDF writer, okay, and then print, and then go ahead and upload it to Canvas. Good job.